So, good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So today, I'm going to demonstrate my laboratory, and so I will demonstrate my final activity um, regarding or to develop a detailed e-commerce UI/UX prototype tailored for both web and mobile platforms. So in this video demonstration, um, we chose Shopee as for our reference e-commerce platform. So we are advised na i-present yung 30% working ng prototype and ng ito um, tailored e-commerce namin. So 30% inuna po namin yung dito sa may user and customer interface. And so inside user customer interface, so we have our homepage. It consists of search bar with filters, featured products, banners, and so on. And then product listing, product detail page, cart, checkout, user profile, order tracking, wish list, customer support, and search results. So later on, iisa-isahin natin yung part na yan, and then check natin sa prototype natin if lahat is present and kung ano yung hindi. And yeah, so first one is for the homepage. So homepage consists of search bar with filters, featured products, banners and promotion, personalized recommendation, quick links. Yan. So yeah. So ayan. So as you can see, this is my homepage. Ayan. Gumawa muna kami ng lagnat ng login form for formalities kasi lahat naman ng mga websites and mga applications, platforms is may mga login form. Ayan. So yan. And then for this, this is our homepage. And so let's name it muna. Homepage. Let's say this is product 1. And so our homepage consists of, sabi dito is, search bar with filters. So we have search bar and we have the filters button here, filter button. And then featured products. So as you can see, yung mga featured products natin, we have the DJI's official store, Nike, Apple, and Huawei. And then next is we have the banners and promotion. Banners present here. Banners, and this is the promotion. And then for the next one, we have personalized recommendation. For the recommendation, these are the recommendations, and then also naka-filter din siya para sa mga gusto lang is, for example, filter for women. So women lang lalabas dyan. And then next is quick links and trending seasonal deals. So for seasonal deals, we have yung pang Pasko, yung Christmas season. We have this, yan, payday sale, ganyan, December na. Yan. Next one is product listing. Product listing, product detail, card, checkout. Ayan. So, ayan, papakita ko na lang po sa inyo isa-isa. Ito. Let's open this one pala. Mali pala yung na-open kong project. But still, same lang din naman sila. So, ayun na nga. Ayan. So, dito naman sa product details, meron tayo dito. Pag once na click natin yung product sa featured product, so, it will give us this interface. So, ayan. And then, another for the product details. And all product details, lahat po yan product details. And for the shopping cart interface, ito, wait lang. Ayan. So, this is my shopping cart interface. So, dito lahat pupunta yung mga products and mga items na in-add to cart natin. Then, for example, yung shoes, yung sling bag, yung yung slipper, and then yung bed, and then yung yun yung foldable bed, yung mga solar lights, bags, and something. So, yan lahat. And then later on, papakita natin and i-demonstrate natin kung ano ba isa-isa yan. And same as din dito, merong checkout para sa may shoes and a shopping cart. And then for checkout page naman, so you have this product. So ito yung product para sa shoes, ito yung product para sa sling bag, sa slippers, sa folding bed, sa solar lights, and of course para sa bags. So pare-parehas lang sila, magkakaiba lang sila ng items. Yan. Next one is eto. My profile. So user profile. So inside this formalities, inside this feature, so meron dito yung i-edit mo yung username mo, yung name and yung email and also your gender and something. Yeah, so dito siya nakapalibot, dito siya nakapaloob. And then we also have the add to cart icon, and we also have the product and the filter button. And here naman, sa another page is we have the addresses or the address book. So meaning to say, dito pwede mong i-edit yung mga address details mo, informations, and you can also add new address here. So for example, nasa ibang lugar ka and may gusto kang order in online, so you can simply add new address na i-deliver mismo dun sa address na gusto mo kahit na wala ka doon. And then, ayan, may option din dito. If you are going to edit your information here, your address, and delete this current address and add new one and set as default. And for the next part, we have the notification setting. If gusto mo naman ng yung application is or yung e-commerce um, platform is may notification, for example, may payday sale or may 50% off, is i-on nyo lang yung email notification. And pag may mga order updates, kunwari ship to ship na yung products nyo, so mag-email siya or mag-notification. And pag may promotions, kung may 50% deals, something like that, mag-email po siya. So, nasa sa inyo po yun kung i-on nyo siya. And for SMS notification, SMS messages, ayan, send siya na lang by your contact number. Ayan, next one is we have the order tracking. Of course, sa isang e-commerce platforms, ito yung hindi mawawala. To track your parcel, your item, your orders, and so on. So, dito notify ka kung yung order mo ba na-placed mo na or may payment confirm na ba or meron na bang nag-ship out na ba or na-transfer na ba, shipment na ba, ganun. So, lahat ng mga updates regarding on your parcel or regarding your options or your items were here. So, you also have the view proof of delivery para if ever hindi kayo naka-receive is may proof sila na ng na-receive ng maayos yung parcel or yung item mo. Okay, next is wish list. Ayan. So, sa wish list naman, ito naman yung mga items na hindi mo ma to cart, hindi mo rin ma-order kasi nga um, wala pang budget, ganun. So, simply add to your wish list and then para hindi mo na siya mawala. And this is the name or this is the number of stock. This is the action whether you are going to add to cart it or buy now. We also have the icon ay the cart button, the filter, the search, and the button for home, for help, and for the language and for the user profile. So before I forgot, these are the facts or the frequently asked questions na may encounter sa isang e-commerce. So ilan lang naman to sa madaming questions. Ayan. So, and andito lahat ng mga questions. Yung mga common questions regarding sa mga sa mga problems, sa mga problem encounters in e-commerce platforms. And so, last one is the search result. So, if you're going to search here, so may mga lalabas din ng mga recommendations, suggestions, na nag-match dun sa may sinearch mo. So, dito yung lalabas. And then, itong mga to, ito yung dashboard mo dito. Ayan, dashboard mo yan. And so now, let's proceed to the presenting the output. Output. Ayan. So, play lang natin siya. So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung nag-play. Ayan. So, we have the username, the password, and the login. So, simply click this, then mapupunta ka na sa my homepage. And, nag-apply tayo dito ng scroll view para naman ma-scroll natin siya side by up and down or vertically. Ayan. So, these are the featured products or the recommendations, should I say. So, if you want to order this, kailangan may product details tayo. So, click that. So, this is the product that you wanted. So, for example, ayan, product description, 100%, yan. And then we have the product reviews, of course. The quality is so nice, and is this helpful to you? Yes or no? And then the related items is also present here. And so next is gumagana ba itong mga buttons? Ayan, add to cart, pupunta siya dito sa cart na to. Sa part na yan lang. And then back natin. Ayan. Saan na nawala? Ayan. Gumagana rin itong buy now, pupunta sa checkout. So this is your checkout interface. So we have your delivery address, your information, your contact number, and your contact details. And then the shop, your na pinagbilhan, and then the unit price of the product, the quantity, the subtotal, and of course pati yung mga vouchers and mga shop vouchers, mga coins, and mga payment method, whether you're going to cash on delivery, payment online or bank transfer, GCash payment, something like that. Okay, so now let's proceed naman dito sa ating wish list. If hindi mo pa siya mabili or hindi mo pa siya ma-add to cart, pinutin mo lang yan, and then papupunta siya dito sa wish list. Kumbaga, ito yung mga gusto mo pang bilhin soon in the future. Pag may budget na tayo, ganun. Ayan, so home, gumagana na din po yan. And then next, punta naman tayo dito sa sling bag. So lahat po yan, nakiklik na po natin yan. So, rest assured na okay na. Ayan, so home. And for the help, ito po yung mga facts natin or also known as the frequently asked questions. And why is mobile number registered to their account in shop? And so, ito, user profile, addresses, notification settings, order tracking, wish list, yan. So, okay na. Home na yan. Next is, dito naman tayo sa may slippers for sandals for men or pwede din sa women na leather. So, dito nakalagay yung mga variation, yung color, yung sizes, yung quantity, and then yung stack. So, add to cart, buy now, add to cart, filter, search product. Search product, ito po yung sinasabi natin kanina. Pag nag-search ka, okay, of course, pag nag-search tayo, may magmamatch dito ng suggestions. So, ayan, lalabas lahat dyan. Then, pwede kayo mag-browse ulit. Ayan. Next is, ayan, okay na to. So, ito din, ganun din lang din siya. Merong mga product descriptions, may product reviews, and may related items about that specific product. Then, okay, next is, we also have this. We have the price, wish list again. Ayan, then balik lang. Ayan, address. Ayan. So, sa bag, ito naman yun. Same lang din. Next is pag gusto na natin siyang i-buy now. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong checkout interface. So, para sa bag na to, we have 265 to 65. Same lang din naman ng information or ng nilalaman. Ayan. Ayan. DJ Mart. Check out, check out, check out. Same lang po yung laman din. And then, dito din, same lang din. Ayan, so na-discuss, ay na-explain ko na, na-demo ko naman na to kanina. And then, yeah, this is my mood board. Ayan, so, and I guess that's all for my video demonstration regarding my final activity in user design experience. And and I guess and I hope na dapat na meron na tong 30% sa website na gagawin sa gagawin namin. And for the admin naman, wala pa po kaming nagagawa. And then pati sa mobile platforms wala pa din. So, yeah, we're hoping na meron ng 30% ito. Yes, and thank you for watching and I hope that um, you guys are sure na naiintindihan and ayun po.